Hello YouTubers. This is for the MS440 kit. I've been searching for a source for a tunable carburetor for the 440, and I could not find anything other than knockoffs. I found one place, but I wasn't sure, so I didn't buy. I got my hands on this. This is the same place that I got the MS660 carb from, so they're very legitimate in Georgia. And if you'll look above the screen, you press the button. I'll give you the website, and this is fully tunable, which is, well, you know how great that is. That is a first-class carburetor. And I'm so glad to finally find a reliable source. They're anxious to service. They're looking at bringing in other carburetors, in line with the kits, and other things. You can get Husky, some hard to get Poulan. She already has an inventory, but I'm concerned in building her inventory for things that suit the steel guy, and that's me down all the way down the road. She's going to have some, trimmer, blower, chainsaw, different carburetors. So this particular carburetor, she just ordered one so I could see it. And so this is the 3rd week of March. I think it took her 3 weeks to get this, or maybe less. I contacted her again. She, well, yeah, I got that. So, she might have had it in 2 weeks, but I'd say by the middle of April, you should be able to log on to the website and purchase this. She said that in 2 or 3 days, she would have the restock on this one. So, sounds like we've got somebody to work with, to fill our needs, and that's exciting. So I hope you find this helpful. I'd love for you to subscribe if you have not already, and look forward to talking more. The Chainsaw Kit Guy out.